Itong channel na 'to ay para sa mga kapwa ko Pinoy na gustong ayusin yung buhay nila. The way kung paano ko gagawin 'to is to help you na tanggalin yung mga bagay that is holding you back para i-achieve yung full potential mo, pare. And if you're like me, gaming, isa yun sa mga yun. And as you progress sa self-improvement, pare, there are also other things that are holding you back para ma-achieve pa yung full potential mo. I will help you remove those things. This channel is for people kung saan gusto nila matuto from a big brother. Makaka-vibe nila sa humor, makaka-relate sila, ganun. Pero higit sa lahat, isang big brother kung saan matututo sila ng mga specific action steps na pwede nilang gawin para they can take action to improve yung buhay nila and para makapag-invest sila ng oras nila sa kalusugan nila, relationship, or di kaya naman yung layunin nila kung bakit sila nabubuhay, pare. And for those people that are able to change their lives through my channel, I will teach them to become the leader na gumagawa rin ng ganitong videos and tumutulong rin sa kapwa natin Pinoy. So you can leave a positive legacy sa ating mga kababayan, pare. I myself, dito sa isang kwarto, I used to struggle a lot with my gaming addiction. And during that moment, I don't really know kung paano ko tatanggalin yung gaming addiction ko because patuloy ako naglalaro ng video games like Mobile Legends and all of these random games. They are my source of fun and enjoyment and a way para escape yung mga problema sa buhay. But fast forward a few years, pare, na-realize ko that gaming is the one that's holding me back to achieve my full potential. So, I did a lot of good habits and now I'm helping others to do the same. So if you are this kind of person na interested sa mga ganitong video, subscribe kayo rito sa channel na to. Click niyo yung bell notification so that you don't miss out yung mga ina-upload kong contents.